Alrighty, everyone, welcome back to Automotive Miami. Today we have Esco. Esco,
hey, what's up, man?
Thank you so much for making the time for us, man.
Making it happen.
Tell us, man, what do you drive?
It's a 1994 Honda Civic hatchback. Has a K24 with a K20 head, ITBs, 64 millimeters.
Cool. So before we get into the craziness of the heart of it, why an EG? How long have you had it? Why this platform?
EGs, ever since I was about 10, man, I fell in love with them. I seen one of my dad's friend had a green one, and I used to tell him, hey, you know what, I want one of those. 15th birthday came, he bought me my first EG.
Wow.
You know, and ever since then we just stuck to them. This is like my 14th Civic. So
how cool is that?
Yeah.
Just to have a dad in general. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay, so 15, you get an EG, start playing with them. Fast forward 3 years, you look like you're 18. Where did you pick this one up?
This one, I actually picked it up from Florida. Okay. So it belonged to one of my buddies in Florida that I met through Jerry Built. Okay. And you know, he just got tired of having it, so I bought it, shipped it over here, and we finished it with my buddy Jerry Built. Okay.
That's crazy, man. Just so many years, you know, building EGs. So tell us, with this, what was your vision for this one? Since it was kind of built already, what was your vision?
How you see it, man. It's so before this I had a turbo, and it was fun, but you know, a lot of my buddies have all motor cars, so I wanted to try some ITBs and, you know, some high compression stuff. Right.
So compared to your B18 turbo before this one, how does it compare? How do you feel about it?
Man, the throttle response on this is crazy. That's off top. You know, turbo, you still got a turbo lag and all that, but this one, you floor it and it takes off, man.
Okay, so you're excited. You actually like the ITB setup?
It's fun. It's fun. Yeah, it's on demand. Yeah, it's right on demand.
And has it been reliable?
Yeah, it hasn't broken. I took it to the track. I hit like a 7.8 at the 1/8 of a mile. You know,
wow.
With on stock tires too. So it's fun.
You're just an adrenaline junkie, huh?
Yeah. Adrenaline junkie. Yeah.
His arm. And so tell us, what do we got going on in the front end?
Front end. So this is a JDM front end. Okay. Actually, you know, I got ordered from Japan. JDM fenders, lights, bumper. We color matched it to the car. The motor is a K24 with a K20 head, ITBs, 64 millimeters. Has a LSD, Quaife LSD, Tilton twin disc. That's valve springs, retainers, just basic stuff.
So tell us a little bit more about your ITB setup.
So they're Kingslers, 64 millimeter Kingslers, with FIC injectors.
What size injectors do you know?
They are, I think, 1200s. If I'm not mistaken.
There's just so many pieces that you go through. You forget,
Actually, those probably my buddy just put them on there to finish the setup, because it was a lot. You know, it was a long time. Okay. This car's been built since like 2013. Okay. Not built, but you know, it's been around in the works since 2013, 2012 maybe. Cool. Transmission is a Type R, 6-speed, you know, LSD, Quaife LSD, a twin disc Tilton. Okay. Axles, it has I think 3.9 axles, and that's pretty much it on the motor, you know, besides the radiators, little goodies here and there. 342, and on the motor, it's on E85, so yeah.
Smell it.
You smelled it? Yeah. It's I mean, no sleeves. It doesn't have sleeves, but that's a plan that we have for the future. We're gonna sleeve it up. Maybe go bigger ITBs.
Even bigger?
Let's see if we can do it.
Man. Those are pretty big.
Yeah. Well, they're fun. The drivability is not all that great, but they're fun for sure. Okay. You gotta floor it all the time. Never wants to stop. It wants to be.
Doesn't sound like you have a problem with that. Huh?
No, I do not.
You say with the smiling face. I don't think I have an issue with that.
Yeah, I don't. It's it just takes forever to heat up, but it hasn't broken up. Okay. Yeah, it's still in one piece. You know, the motor's been there for a good minute. It's a solid motor. You know, my buddy Jerry Built did a solid job on it.
What are the future plans for the engine compartment?
Well, I'm gonna take the motor out. We're gonna redo the whole car, as a matter of fact. I want to change the color on it.
What do you mean by redo the whole car?
We're gonna get a new paint job on it.
Okay.
We're gonna redo the paint job because it has little things, and you know, it kind of bugs me. Yeah, it kind of bugs me.
Okay. So tell us a little bit about your suspension setup. You say you have disc all around. What kind of suspension do you have? You know,
it has Omnis, 1,000-pound springs in the back, and besides that, it's pretty LCAs. It has function 7s.
okay.
ASR subframe, the brace, Beaks bar, and, bushings, stock bushings. I'm gonna do the PCIs,
Okay.
but that's in the future. You know, right now we just got the car done like this, and
One step at a time.
one step at a time for sure. You know, future plans for the disc brakes, I want to get some Willwoods or some spoons maybe.
Okay.
I'm not sure. Well, it depends what color I go. You know, I'm gonna go with either spoons because they're blue, or some Willwoods with some red Willwoods or something.
And you can always switch up the color on the calipers. So
Yeah.
Not the end of the world.
Yeah. But I mean, it's always nice when they come stock like that, you know,
Right.
from factory or from the company.
Right.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Tell us about your wheel tire setup. What do you have going on?
I have some Sprint Hard CPRs. Tires are Falcon.
Falcon?
Falcon tires.
What size are they?
Those are, the rims are 15s and the tires are 195. So nothing crazy, you know. They don't hook, but
Okay.
I like how they look.
Okay.
So that's
Maybe you'll get a different wheel setup for actual.
for the track. Yeah. Usually when we took it to the track, we ran it on stock tires, but I want to test them out on some slicks.
Okay. Oh, definitely.
Yeah, some slicks will be nice.
Okay. Sweet, man.
No, so it's a SI, has a sunroof, power windows. The back, just, you know, basic stuff, carbon fiber, trunk, wing, golden eagle diffuser, and a thermal muffler, exhaust. But besides that, there's nothing really much going on back here. We're gonna change the bumper soon, but overall I think it looks great like this. So the interior is pretty much stock. Besides, we put power windows, so we put power window panels, Recaro seats, doubled in with the JDM console, and that's pretty much it for the interior, man. Very simple. Carbon fiber tray, airbag delete, but simple. Like I said, trying to keep it the stock the most I can, but still kind of add a little bit of flavor to it, if that makes sense.
It makes perfect sense. Yeah. A little bit of your taste.
Yeah. Just, you know, I really love overall how the car is, like stock. You know, they're nice with a nice little round bubble butt. So that, you know, just keep it simple, you know.
Keep it simple, stupid.
Keep it simple, yeah.
What kind of wheel is that?
Steering wheel? It's a Type R. It's a Momo stock Type R one. Future plans, hopefully we get to put a Nardi or a Momo, another, you know, Momo Sparko, something dope. But for now, this will do. It's nice. It's stock. It goes with the whole Honda theme, you know. So that's why I like it.
Era correct, period correct.
Yeah.
You know, same manufacturers, things like that.
Yeah, that's a big part that I like. I want to keep everything from Honda. Like, if I could get my hands on Honda stuff, I jump on them, you know, because I really like just keeping it all one.
Same brand. All right, man. So tell us, what are the future plans? I know you touched base on them, and any shout outs.
I want to give a shout out to my boy Jerry Built for hooking me up, you know. Hybrid Racing for giving me this dipstick. That was my first free part that I got for this car, to be honest. So nice. I think they deserve a shout out. And overall, just the whole team, you know, Team Knockout, Burn One LA actually put a lot of money into this. And future plans, let's see what we do, see what we could get into.
Seems like you have a few bit of plans to revamp the whole car, so that's pretty cool.
I wouldn't want to spill them all out. I want it to be a surprise for you guys.
Keep it classified.
Yeah. Listen,
that way you come back to the channel and then we can do another
interview.
Like
if it's a different car, you know.
So that's awesome, man. Well, thank you so much for your time, man. I truly appreciate it. and I can't wait for the future plans. And as it is, to me it seems like it's finished. But
thanks, man. Thank you. I appreciate you taking your time to come and record this junk, like my dad calls it.
No, man. Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate it.
We should go for a spin.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Trying to find an excuse to drive it, man.
This is by far my most favorite part of this whole entire day. His nephew helping him out. Man, what's it all about, man? It's awesome.